Hello everybody, this is the first video on my new YouTube channel I am making, and I wanted to just kind of do an intro to what my channel is going to be and why I'm making it. So I'm a beginner trader. I've been doing it for maybe 4 or 5 months, not profitable at all. I've probably lost a couple $1,000s already on just this account. And the reason I wanted to make this channel was so it makes it easier for me to track my trades, for you guys to learn alongside somebody, because I know that I've been looking for a channel like that and I haven't quite been able to find one. And then it's also gonna help me hold myself more accountable, because it's kind of embarrassing losing half of your account on one trade on video, so I don't think I'll be risking as much as I was before. And then you guys will also be able to give me some good feedback in the comments, and I can maybe help you guys out with something if you're less knowledged than me, which I'm not the brightest bulb when it comes to this yet, but that's the whole point of this. We got to learn, we got to get better every day. So there's going to be two accounts we have on this channel. We're going to have this ECN2, and then we're going to have this ECN3. So on ECN2, the main thing with this one is we're going to be mostly trading the 15, 5-minute, and 1-minute time frame. And so what we do, pretty much a strategy for this one, is every day at 6 a.m. we're going to start watching the markets. We're going to see what it's giving us, see if it makes a double top, look for manipulation. That's mostly what we're going to try and do. We're going to try and catch these bigger moves like this. Or, I mean, if we even buy in right here and we just catch these slow move up, that's fine by me. But we're mostly looking for manipulation, and then we're going to go the opposite direction of it. Or something like this double top right here. That is a great entry to go short. And that's pretty much the premise of this account. And I'll get more into it as we go along and show more of like my charting on it and what I'm thinking in the moment, because I'll do these mostly live every day. Right now it's 10:47 a.m. Central Time. I wanted to start a little later in the day just for my first video here. Didn't want to do too much placing trades on the first day. So then with the other account here, this one we're going to be trying a strategy that my mentor, I'm not sure if he came up with it or if he's combined maybe a couple different strategies together to make it his, but he's been teaching me it. And pretty much like on the daily time frame, what we're looking for is we are going to have like these points right here, our structural points. And what we're looking for is a break of structure. So if it breaks this point down here, what we're looking for is a closure. We got to have if this candle went down, it can show a wick down there, it can do whatever it wants, but the body of it has to close below that. We would enter a short. And then what we're doing is, for shorts, we're not as much holding it till Friday. We got to watch those ones a little bit more, but like let's say it broke to the upside. I'm holding that trade until Friday, and then I close it on Friday, because with weekends, they like to take profits back. If you have been watching the markets for a while, you'll notice that usually every weekend it opens down, which if you're in a long position, that's not something that you're going to want. So that's going to be the main strategy for this account. And the things I'm going to be trading right here, we got the France 40, US 30, German, I think it's 40, and then I think this is European 50, NASDAQ 100, and S&P 500. I'm probably going to add two more to it right now, just because I think that they're really good things to trade. We're going to add gold to US dollar, and then we're going to add US oil. And a lot of these things, I was going to do Japanese 225, but I looked at that chart. It's just been straight consolidation for a long time. So I'll keep an eye on it over time here and wait till it does something, and then maybe we'll add that in another one. And yeah, that's pretty much the main premise of this channel. I don't want to keep this video too long because it's just an introduction, and we'll probably, it's Friday today, so we'll get into the actual trading on Monday. I'll probably start at 6 a.m. there. And if you guys would like to watch me trade crypto, I can maybe make an extra account for crypto only, because the whole thing about it is we're doing $100 in each account. We're not doing any more than that, because that's going to help me limit my risk. Because so far, the main thing I've noticed with my trading is I have a huge problem with full porting. I always think, you know what, I can make $1,000 with this trade right here, and then it goes the opposite way, and I lose half of my account. And that's going to be one thing I think this channel helps me with a lot, is holding myself accountable, and you guys even holding me accountable in the comments. So yeah, this is probably where I'm going to end the video off. If anybody does watch this, leave some comments. Let me know if my mic quality's good or bad, so I maybe go out and buy a new mic for you guys. But yeah, I just want to see where this goes. So you guys have a good Friday, and let me know how your trades went for the week.